What is going on, y'all? It's your boy George, finally back, finally making a new video after months of just being in quarantine, not doing much. Haven't really been picking up much shoes, clothes lately, haven't been doing that much. Just trying to save some money, I guess. But I got lucky on a pair of Jjound's New Balance this past weekend on Friday on Kith. And of course, they didn't ship too fast, but I got a pair from my friend Andrew, and he's gonna let me review his pair, which is actually in my size. So we're gonna take a look at these Jjound New Balance 992s. So let's check them out, guys. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at detail shots at the shoe. We got the mesh, we got a mesh upper. We also got the brown gray oatmeal suede, pig suede. It looks very nice. The suede's pretty good. No glue stains on the midsoles, which is pretty good. I hate seeing glue stains on my shoes. Quality control on these is pretty great. So shout out to New Balance. We got the Jjound logo in the back heel right here, and also the New Balance logo is also 3M, pretty much like almost all New Balance shoes I've seen, they're all pretty much 3M. We got the cotton laces, the cream colorway. This is my favorite thing to do with a shoe. It's just so minimal, it looks so nice. The cream colorway just goes on any shoes. Just put cream laces on anything. I'm all for it. The midsole also has this like cream midsole going around, and then it just splits in half and turns into the white. And I think that this shoe is like minimal, but it's so perfect. I don't know why it can't just be a standard colorway, because I would literally buy it in a heartbeat. All right, guys, let's go ahead and talk about the 992 model real quick. So the New Balance 992, I feel this year has been having like a hell of a year. They've had so many collaborations, the Joe Fresh goods, that red pair that was a really nice pair that came out on Valentine's Day. We also had the double taps, the olive colorway. Who else has dropped? Kith has dropped a collaboration. They had a navy blue with baby blue shoe. And there was also a general colorway, the Nimbus Cloud. That colorway was super, super fire. I just feel like this year has been a great year for New Balance, and when it comes to collaborations, and especially this model of the shoe. This is my first pair of 992s that I actually own. I am more of a 990 guy. I really love the 990 model. I think it's the best one, but these are my second favorite. And third would have to be the 993, which I love that shoe as well. But these are very nice, guys. The quality on these is insane. The materials that Jjound use, I mean, it's super simple, super minimal. I'm not sure if I would pay resale for these, but it's a great shoe, guys. But yeah, guys, what did you think about this shoe? Let me know in the comments below. Is it overhyped? Would you pay $600 for a pair of these? Let me know in the comments below, guys. But I plan on doing some more videos. Hopefully I have a pair of 990s that I still haven't reviewed. I got a couple desktop pairs that just sit in the closet. But let me know what other type of shoes you'd like to see. Would you like to see a shoe collection? I have quite a bit of shoes. I don't know if that'd be something you guys be interested in, but let me know in the comments down below, guys. Also, if you could subscribe and just share this video, like it, I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next time. Hopefully it doesn't take a couple months for me to make a video. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all next time. Yo.